Today, we're diving into the Imola wide sectional couch. This review unveils a piece that truly redefines modern living. Let's discover how the right sofa can transform your home into a haven of style and comfort. The Imola Sofa redefines modern minimalism. Its low back, boxy lines, and deep seats create a sleek, contemporary silhouette. Wide armrests are perfect for your book or a drink, blending form and function effortlessly. Upholstered in soft, textured boucle, it offers a luxurious, woolly feel. This fabric adds incredible warmth and visual depth, making it a true statement piece for any design-conscious homeowner. Experience pure relaxation with deep seats designed for lounging. The high-resilience foam cushions provide balanced support, cradling you without excessive sinking. It's comfort perfected for movie nights or quiet evenings. Don't miss the opportunity to buy this Imola couch now. Click on the link below to place your order. Built on a kiln-dried hardwood frame with robust suspension, this sofa promises lasting durability. Its solid construction ensures it maintains shape and comfort, a smart investment for your home. Positioned as mid-range designer furniture, it offers premium style without the high-end price tag. With quality materials and free shipping, it represents exceptional value for those seeking sophisticated comfort. This sofa is a stylish, comfortable, and thoughtfully crafted piece, ideal for modern living spaces. Its minimalist design and luxurious boucle upholstery offer an inviting tactile dimension, ensuring both beauty and lasting comfort. Ready to transform your living space? Explore this stunning sofa today and bring sophisticated comfort into your home. Click the link in the description to discover more and elevate your interior design. Oh, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.